Imagine waking up tomorrow night, looking at the sky and realizing the moon is gone. No warning, just gone. The moon has always been with us. Ancient people worshipped it, poets wrote about it, wolves howled at it. But what if it vanished? Let's explore how our world would change without its pale companion, scientifically, culturally, and catastrophically. First, the most obvious change. The night sky would be dark, much darker. Stars would shine brighter, but Earth would feel emptier. For billions of years, the moon has been Earth's flashlight, reflecting sunlight and giving us a soft night glow. Without it, many nocturnal animals would struggle. Sea turtles use moonlight to find the ocean. Moths and birds navigate by it. Humans, too, would notice. Cities already glow with artificial light, but rural areas would feel an eerie blackness. But the real danger comes from the moon's gravitational pull. It keeps our oceans moving, tides rising and falling. Without the moon, tides would shrink dramatically. Only a third of their current size, driven weakly by the sun. This means coastal ecosystems would collapse. Tide pools vanish, fish and crabs lose habitats, and food chains break. Many birds and marine creatures depend on tides for feeding and migration. Their life cycles would fall apart. Humans who rely on fishing economies would also suffer. Entire industries might collapse. But that's not all. The moon stabilizes Earth's tilt, our axial wobble. Without it, our planet goes unstable. Earth currently tilts about 23.5 degrees. That tilt gives us seasons. But without the moon, it could swing wildly. Over thousands of years, Earth might tilt 10 degrees more, or 40 degrees more. Winters could freeze continents, summers could scorch them. Imagine polar ice melting completely one millennium, then returning as glaciers stretch across Europe the next. Civilizations would struggle to adapt to these unpredictable, massive climate shifts. And remember, no moon means no lunar calendar. Many religions, holidays, and cultures revolve around lunar cycles. Ramadan, Easter, Chinese New Year, all tied to the moon. Humanity would lose a universal clock. Even language would change. Once in a blue moon would vanish. Werewolves, romantic moonlit walks, gone from imagination. But let's imagine something immediate. If the moon just blinked out of existence tomorrow, what happens right away? First, tides crash. Within a week, beaches are reshaped. Many animals die off quickly. Humans panic. Second, nights grow darker. Crime rates might rise in poorly lit regions. Astronomy becomes easier, though. Small win. Third, the Earth's rotation begins to speed up. Without the moon's tidal breaking, days get shorter. Right now, each century, the moon slows Earth's spin slightly. Without it, days could shrink to 18 hours over time. Imagine working an 18-hour day instead of 24. Your boss would love it. You, not so much. Plants and animals would need to adjust to faster day-night cycles. Many might fail and go extinct. Meanwhile, climate instability begins. Seasons shift unpredictably. Crops fail, populations migrate. Wars could break out over fertile land. Refugees would cross continents searching for food and stability. And yet, there's something strangely beautiful about the idea. The sky filled with only stars, no bright companion. Astronomers would cheer. The lack of moonlight means clearer skies for telescopes, a golden age for stargazing. But most humans would mourn. We evolved under the moon. It shaped our myths, our rhythms, our very biology. Even lovers on a beach would feel something missing. The moon was more than rock. It was connection. So if the moon disappeared, life would go on. But it would be stranger, harsher, darker. The earth would wobble. The seas would shrink. Cultures would collapse. Humanity would adapt, but at a price. And in the silence of the night sky, we would finally understand. The moon was never just a rock. It was the heartbeat of Earth, a silent guardian. And without it, our world would never be the same. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more amazing what-if adventures.